Did you know that ChatGPT can help you find a partner? Yes, you heard me right. A simple AI platform can actually help you find your ideal partner. I know it sounds crazy, right? But if you stick around, I'll show you how. So, if you have been living under a rock and you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an advanced AI tool that helps you with everything from writing essays to solving problems. But did you know that it can also help you in your dating life too? Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to walk you through on how you can basically use ChatGPT as sort of like your secret love coach. And the nice thing is, it's for free. So the first thing that you need to do is to define exactly what you are looking for in a partner. You need to sit down with yourself. You need to think it through. You need to decide what it is that you are looking for in a partner, right? You will sort of use ChatGPT as like your brainstorming buddy. For an example, you could ask ChatGPT, this is sort of like a prompt that you would use based on what you are looking for. For an example, you can say, if I want a partner who is kind, who is ambitious, and any other traits that you are looking for, you list it on the platform, then ChatGPT will generate a detailed list of qualities. This is sort of like a blueprint of your dream partner, right? And once you have your list of ideal qualities, you will then flip the script. You will then reflect on yourself, right? Now you have to ask ChatGPT, what kind of a person would someone with these kind of qualities be attracted to, right? You're changing the script now. Now that you have the qualities of your dream person, now you're asking ChatGPT, what sort of person would this ideal partner be attracted to? Now, this is a game changer because it will shift your focus to becoming the best version of yourself. I need to highlight that ChatGPT might, bring up things that you would need to work on, qualities that you would need to improve on your side, right? Maybe it might tell you that you need to work on communication. Maybe you would find, some of the qualities. Maybe it might tell you that you need to develop, new skills, or maybe embrace a healthier lifestyle. You will just pick and choose and see what you need to work on, what you need to improve on. It's all about, growing into the person who will naturally attract the person that you desire, right? Now you need to take it a step further, right? Based on the qualities that you identified, you then ask ChatGPT, what kind of daily schedule would this kind of person have? Meaning you're asking what kind of day-to-day, or what kind of, how do you go about planning your day-to-day life, in order to be this person that would attract your dream partner, right? I hope you are still with me. Then ChatGPT will then again give you suggestions, right? It must suggest things like you need to be, maybe waking up early, you need to be sticking into a fitness routine, you need to learn new hobbies. This will not only help you grow, but it will put you into spaces where you're more likely to meet people who are, who share the same values as you, right? This is personal development. So then once you have your plan, you know now the qualities that you need to possess, you know how your schedule needs to look like, how your day-to-day needs to look like, then you need to take action, right? You need to follow the plan that ChatGPT has given you. but you need to stay flexible, because we all know life happens and relationships aren't built on, perfection. They are built on progress, right? If this is something that you would like to try, let me know in the comment section. If you are ready to ditch your expensive coaches and the chaos of dating apps, because if we're being honest, dating apps have been chaotic nowadays. There's lots and lots of, crazy characters. That is why, in my opinion, I think that you should try this AI powered approach, and let me know how it works for you in the comment section.